guys, I'm here for VEDA Day 3, and I have a unboxing. This is from Krista and Becca Ritchie. I ordered a signed copy of a book, so let's get to it. Woo. And what I got is a massive book. And that is Some Kind of Perfect by Krista and Becca Ritchie. This is book 10 in the Addicted / Calloway Sister book. This is the epilogue book. Look at how big that is. This has all 6 point of views. So it has Lily, Hello, Reich, Daisy, Connor, and Rose, all in this 6 point of views, and this is a span of 10 years. I read this earlier this year. I gave it 5 out of 5 stars. Really enjoyed it. I think this might be my favorite book in the Addicted / Calloway Sister novels. I mean, I love them all, but I think this one's my favorite. And I get a bookmark, and it says, Autumn, never say goodbye, and then they signed it. I'll also link where you could get signed copies down on their website, and they sent me a little card. Autumn, thanks so much for loving the Addicted series and for ordering a signed paperback. Heart, we hope you enjoy your copy of Some Kind of Perfect. All the love, Krista and Becca Ritchie. So, and it's very cute, and the envelope. So that is what I got. Now I have all 11 books of theirs signed and personalized. So, and I will buy all of the remaining books when they come out and get them. I want to see how big this book is. This book is 727 pages. That's a big book. Yeah, as I said, I read this and I loved it. I actually kind of feel like rereading this series. Even though I've already finished it this year, I feel like rereading it. So, yeah. That is my book I got signed. So thank you so much, Krista and Becca Ritchie. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.